So, baby, tell me this ain't my hair. Tell me this ain't my hair.
DizastrousBeauty. It's DizastrousBeauty. The way for me. It's DizastrousBeauty. Change up your look daily. It's DizastrousBeauty. The way for me. It's DizastrousBeauty, baby. It's DizastrousBeauty. Change up.
I finally stopped running now. With you I found my peace somehow. Let go of every thought that was holding me back. Yeah, I'm in love with you in every way. That joy you give me every day makes me forget that I was troubled before. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I know I can be safe with you. You want me now, I know you do. I know you're being patient and I love you for that. You showed me how to dare to love. So tell me what you're thinking of. Cause I won't be afraid, not holding anything back. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I never know felt like this before. I never felt the love like this. I never felt like this before. Like this before. Felt the love like this. Never this before. Like this before. Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? We was raised a little different. Used to be ashamed who I past, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page. Give me with a text, voice note, or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land, and we could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do?
Y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. So the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by HerGivenHair. If you know me, then you know your girl is a HerGivenHair stan, okay? HerGivenHair is always gonna come through with the come through when it comes to natural hair. Like, tell me this ain't my hair. Tell me, girl. Okay, let me just go ahead and get into the details and specs. Okay, so it says the order number is YTBDTB11. The product type is lace front wig 13x6. The texture is Coily 3C24A. The hair color is natural. The cap size is medium, and the hair length is 14 inches. I love that they send me these cards, y'all. You know, I love a good description card. Make sure I take it with me. All right, y'all, so with this unit, you guys seen that I did a twist out, and I did a twist out at my boyfriend's house, and the lighting isn't the best, but you guys can kind of get the gist of what I was doing. I did bring my ring light so you guys can kind of see it a little better, and I probably got it somewhere on the screen where you guys can see it now. All I did was do 2 strand twists, and this is how I used to do my natural hair, believe it or not. Whenever I would wear my hair, this is the same style I would do, and this is how I would do it. And I went and got some perm rods because I couldn't find my perm rods. I ended up buying some, and I ended up buying some perm rods, and I just put those on the end. And when I unraveled the hair, I just used Burb Ghost Oil. And also when before I did the 2-strand twist, I co-washed the unit in conditioner. Okay, I'm not gonna tell you guys what kind of conditioner I use because Child's whatever kind of conditioner he had, and he's a guy. Okay, so you can imagine. But yeah, that's what I did with the unit prior to anything else. Now with this unit, I did not bleach the knots. They were slightly bleached. I feel like they could be bleached more, but it's not like a big deal. I don't feel like you just see knot, okay? So that is also a plus. And when I took the strands down, because I actually kept it up for 2 days in those twists. Okay, so I did those twists, and then I let them stay. Let's see, I did today is Thursday. So I did the twist Tuesday, and I took them down today. So I guess it's like a full day. You know, I don't know. But yeah, I let them stay that long, and then I took them down. And when I took them down, I just used my Bird Ghost Oil to help with some of the frizziness, because whenever I used to do twists with my hair, it would be frizzy, and you do still see some frizziness, but to me it makes it look more realistic. So that's what I did with this particular unit. Now, as far as shed and tangling, I'm gonna keep it a whole buck with y'all. When I cold washed this unit, the brush glided through it. Okay, it glided through it. Now, granted, when I did my twist, when I took my twist down just now, I was experiencing some tangling, but I believe that is from how I twisted the hair. I'm nobody's beautician, y'all, okay? I'm nobody's beautician, so I'm pretty sure it's pretty much how I twisted the hair. Now, that's not to say at some point, oh, girl won't shed and tangle. It's just that straight out of the packaging, she was not really doing it. She did shed a little bit, but not a whole lot. But I do expect it at some point. This is 3C to 4A hair, so I do expect both at some point with this unit. But I just like to tell you guys, like, so you can't say I didn't tell you, because I told you, girl. Now, as far as this unit being big head friendly, in my opinion, this unit is not very big head friendly, but the plus side with HerGivenHair is usually you can get it in a whatever cap size you want it in. But it also came with that pre-attached elastic band, so in my opinion, it's super small to medium head friendly. I am an average cap size, so take that with a grain of salt, because I can only tell you about the head that's on my shoulders, okay? So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue watching. All right, y'all, so my con with this unit is going to be the same con that I have with most luxury brand companies, and I do consider HerGivenHair to be more so of a luxury brand, is that it's a 13x6, but because this part, as you guys can see, this part is parted. But on the sides, you just don't have a whole lot of room, okay? So that is going to be my con. It's not a huge con for me, but I know it could be a huge con for somebody else. So I like to throw it out there so you guys will know. So yeah, that's going to be my con. Now, my pros is going to be my same pros that I always have with this company, okay? I don't care what unit you get from this company. It's always going to give hair. Okay, it's gonna give your hair, okay? And that is like a huge plus for me. So like, I love how natural this unit looks. Like I am pretty sure for the most part, nobody would even think it was a wig, okay? And I love that. And every time I wear hair from this company, I am always told, I love your hair, not I love your wig, okay? So yeah, that is gonna be my #1 pro. I also just like the general style of this unit in particular. Like I like this style. It just reminds me of, like I said, how I used to do my hair. So those are my pros with this unit. Yes, obviously, I would recommend the wig, honey, okay? I would recommend this wig. I would recommend any other wigs that I have done for this company, okay? Especially if you are African American. Like, I feel like it's just like the perfect natural hair. You know what I'm saying? The perfect protective style, the perfect natural wig for you, especially if you only want to do natural looking hair. This is like perfect. You need at least one. Cynthia, tell them. You need at least one, okay? So yeah, yes, I would obviously recommend this wig. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, the back probably a mess, okay? I really should have took the twist down before I put the wig on my head, but yeah, so I can only imagine what the back looked like. But don't judge me, just keep looking at the front, okay? Worry about how the front look. I'm just trying to show you guys what the unit looks like 360, okay? That was my disclaimer. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. I'm probably gonna be editing this like, girl, you should have did a little more to the back, but whatever, okay? Let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling this wig as much as I am, because I am feeling, oh girl, okay? I am feeling this wig. Let me know, sound off down below in the comments. And any of y'all that are as ratchet as I am, if you are interested in this blue lipstick, because honey, this blue is blueing, okay? I don't know what made me go there. I had on nude and then went to blue, but if you are interested, it is by Maybelline. It is their Sapphire Siren. You guys, if you watch me, you know every now and then I like to throw in some crazy lip colors. It's just kind of been my thing. But anyways, if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to HerGivenHair for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
The looks you love completely got every